Standifer Marsh, just trying to see what we can find. There have been reports of a gallinule and a bittern here, so we're going to see if we can try and find those. Standifer Marsh has become our go-to birding destination, thanks to its diverse range of habitats. This unique spot boasts marshlands, wooded areas, manicured lawns, and open fields, making it a haven for a wide variety of bird species. We've been thrilled to spot many species here, and it's now our challenge to see how many birds we can record in one place. Some of the highlights include rare sightings of Virginia rails, soras, Lapland longspurs, and a Ross's goose, as well as regular visitors like cardinals, wrens, wintering hermit thrushes, and migrating warblers that flock to the tree lines. Not to mention lots more. One of the first birds that we saw this day was a rusty blackbird. They are distinguished from grackles by their slender, long tail, their always pale iris, and smaller size. They have a rounded tail and a thinner bill, and in the winter and the fall, rusty feather edges. In areas where species maps overlap, they are distinguished from the brewer's blackbird by a thinner bill and a more rusty plumage. This is the sound of the very common northern cardinal. Standifer Marsh has a causeway located here that we frequent more often than any other place on the marsh. You can kind of see the backside of the marsh from here, but not extremely well, and definitely not during the summer with all the leaves. You never know what you can find in a marsh. Here, a kingfisher. There's a phoebe. Where's... Man, he's fast. Where'd he go? Oh, he's... Kingfisher's just flying back and forth. I can't get him. He's too fast. Keep hoping to try and find the sora in here. See gadwall, shovelers, and green tail. Ah. This is the sound of what I think is one of the cutest sounding birds ever. This is some of the various sounds the fish crow makes. This day, as mentioned in the beginning of the video, we were trying to find the common gallinule, which we never did find, but we did find it at a later date, and we've seen it several times since. We actually think that they had babies. Anyway, I hope you can see why this is our favorite spot, and I'll make more videos in the future about it. But for now, I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.